Hi everyone, welcome to my new series. This series will involve different aspects where we learn how to build workflows using APIs. Let's begin the first workflow that we're going to build. The first workflow that we are going to build is a workflow that sends customized messages on LinkedIn to connect. There are three sections that are involved to build this workflow. The first part is to extract the leads. The second part is to store results. The third part is to send a request. Extracting the leads will involve running an actor and storing the results in an HTTP node. Uh, the rest is quite simple to understand. So let's dive into making the workflow. So here's the workflow that is used to send customized messages to people on LinkedIn to connect. So the first step is to run the actor. So I've defined the uh, kind of profile that I'm looking for. I'm going to specify the criteria to search people on LinkedIn. I'll be selecting engineer. Okay. So yeah, so let's run this actor, which is the LinkedIn profile search scrapper to get uh, the results of different engineers. So as you can see that the API call is succeeded. Let's extract the results. So this node is used to extract the results. As you can see, it has found some results. It has given 20 items. Let's move on to the next step. The next step is to store the results in a tabular format to build customized messages. So let's build that part of the workflow. So in this node, I have mapped all the columns and I've extracted the position to uh, build the customized message. So yeah, we have extracted the position, name, and the URL. In the future, after this workflow is completed, it is possible to make customizations to select only the results that have a request being sent to them. So in this case, we have used the filter node to demonstrate this aspect. So yeah, so if it's we have to take all the uh, values where the status is empty. So it should give us 20 results. The next step is to create a limit node. The limit node is used to like minimize the amount of time that it would take to get a response from ChatGPT to process information. The limit node is used to control the number of requests that has been sent to the model. We'll keep the limit node to process one information at a time. Yep. We have kept the limit node to be one because uh, we don't want to ingest a lot of information and it takes a lot of time to process it. I've used OpenAI. You can use different ChatGPT models and other LLM services to build the AI agent. Here's the AI agent and the prompts that I used to generate the icebreaker. So as you can see in the result, uh, I generated the icebreaker. The next step is to load this information into our Google Sheet. So this process is done, as you can see. Each process is done manually to get the information loaded into our Google Sheet. Now let's do this step. So yeah, so we have a value in the icebreaker column. The final step is to aggregate this into one like format so that we don't get errors when we try to run the API call using Phantom Buster. So I've used the aggregate node. Yeah, so it takes all this information, profile URL, status, name, and icebreaker, and keeps it in a separate data field. As you can see, here's the output as one item. And now we run the Phantom Buster API that sends requests with a customized message. So it gives this information. We can verify that the Phantom Buster is running by visiting the Phantom Buster website. Yeah, so I think it shows that it is processed. We can verify it. It shows that a request has been sent. And over here, we can see that Liam Q is the recent one that has uh, received a request. You can check it on LinkedIn. We're going to our LinkedIn account. And yeah, here you can see that a request has been made. Thank you.